Welcome back to Quantum Tech Lab. I'm Luna, your guide to making everyday technology simple and easy to understand. Today, I'll show you how to unpin posts on Facebook. Open the Facebook app. The Facebook app is one of the most widely used social media platforms in the world, allowing millions of users to connect, share updates, photos, and important moments with friends and followers. Once the app is open, tap on the menu option corner of the screen depending on your device. From the menu, tap on your profile name or profile picture to open your personal profile page. Now scroll down your profile until you find the section where your pinned posts appear. These are the posts that stay fixed at the top of your timeline so visitors can see them first. To remove one, find the pinned post you want to unpin. Then tap the three-dot more icon at the top corner of that post. A menu will appear with several options. Simply select Unpin Post. The post will immediately return to its normal position in your timeline. Thanks for watching Quantum Tech Lab. Stay curious, stay updated, and keep making the most of your technology. I'm Luna, and I'll see you in the next quick and helpful tech guide.